Alright y'all, it's spring. Time to get the mower out. Picked this up from my daughter's place. It was given to him for free. Troy built, Briggs & Stratton engine. However, looks new, but it had been sitting around for 3, 4, 5 years and won't start now. They said they put fresh gas in it. Well, let's see if that's the case. Or, I've been watching Mechanic on YouTube, and she also gave me a tip to try as well. So we'll go ahead and try to start it with the gas that's in it. We'll try her tip, see if it works. If it doesn't work, then we'll replace the gas and try that again. This does not have a choke on it. So the reason I know the spark plug seems to be good is I can fire some starter fluid in there. Give it a couple pulls. And it'll run that long. I did check the line from the gas tank to the carburetor, and it flows freely. So, with it being stored away that long, probably with gas in it, the carburetor's probably got all kinds of things going on. The mechanic said sometimes the float will stick, the needle valve won't move, and she said to do this. Granted, she only moved it about this much. You know me, I want to make sure. I seriously doubt this is going to work. That may be leftovers from the starter fluid. There might be something to this. I wonder why it's doing that. We put some fresh gas in it. See if with fresh gas that I know is fresh, if it starts. So for some reason, or that, it won't keep running. Alright, I pulled the 2 bolts off of the bottom of the bowl, carburetor bowl. Now let's see if we can get this to disconnect. Alright, with a little perseverance and a little straight screwdriver, we were able to get this bowl off. Now let's see, that's the float. It seems to be floating okay. Let's squirt a little juice up this, looks like to be maybe a jet or pickup. Yeah. Put it back on. See if anything changes. I doubt it. Differently. Let's give it a try. Let's put the car back on. Haven't pumped it, haven't tilted it. The bowl's dry. Let's see what happens. What the heck? I don't know what I did. All I did is take the bowl off the carburetor off. The only thing I saw possibly is that carburetor may have not been fully engaged to the exhaust side, but that wouldn't make a difference. So maybe just getting that old gas out of the bowl or cleaning something out that was clogging it up. I don't know. But hey, it runs. Thanks for stopping in at Peterson Farms in Nashville. We do these sort of things. Miracles, call them what you will. But we do these sort of things so that friends, family, and future generations can look way back when and enjoy this in the now or the future, whatever the case may be. God bless you all till next time.